We are talking all about lashes today, and we're gonna try out a couple styles from Glamnetic. Welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Stacy, and I put out at least 3 videos a week all about beauty. We have makeup, skincare, hair, nails, fashion. Now, I don't wear lashes a lot. I like how they look, but I've been in the process of trying to find the correct styles that work for me. Glamnetics did reach out and asked if I wanted to try these complimentary just for an honest review. So I thought, okay, yes, I want to try them. So they let me choose 2 different pairs, and I chose the ones I'm wearing today, Imagine, mostly because they were brown and I hadn't really seen color lashes before. And then the other ones that I've tried are Queen, and these are half lash. Let's just talk a little bit about the company history. They are now also sold at Ulta, just FYI. So the owner of the company, Anne, as she was discovering beauty products, mostly lashes, she realized how much they changed her face and just made her feel beautiful. So she wanted to share that feeling with other women. And at first I was a little hesitant about the magnetic lashes when I first saw them come out, because I wasn't sure, like, is it safe to have a magnet near your eyes? But I did do some research, and there was multiple eye doctors that have come out and done videos and stuff and talked about it, and they say that it is safe for your eyes. And at the time, nobody had come out with magnetic lashes, so she was the first doing this. So it's just a few $1,000s in her small LA apartment. She created Glamnetics, and in less than a year, it went global. So the first product was the 5 magnetic lash. The lashes can be used over 40 times as long as you're taking care of them and cleaning them properly. So let's talk about the first style that I tried, and that is Queen. Nice box, and they do give you the instructions on the back on how to apply and how to remove. Just come out like this. These do retail they are on sale right now for $21.24. but they do retail for $24.99, and you can do either one-time purchases, or if you know you like something and you wear lashes a lot, you can do a subscription. You save 15% if you do the subscription. And I should have said, I do have a discount code. It is not an affiliate, so I don't receive commission, but you can save 15% if you use the code Staci, STACI 15. I will have that down below in the description box and in the comments. But if you want to try them, now's the time to. You need the magnetic liner. You want to make sure that you shake this up and then put it on. Wait for it to be about 80% dry before you apply the lashes onto it. So let me cut to me applying these. Okay, so checking in, I've had these lashes on for about 5 hours, which for me is a long time. I usually just wear lashes for like an hour or so, and they start to bug my eyes. But these, I think half lashes definitely the way to go, and they don't feel heavy or anything. So far on first impression, I'm impressed. I think what I should have done is maybe put a little bit more liner like where the end of it is, because as you can see, they're kind of starting to pop off a little bit. So I think I needed to put more. I just thought that I would show you as I'm going to take them off. And I'm using, this is the Clinique Take Your Day Off. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over that barely. It said that you don't want to get these wet, and look, it came off. So here's what it looks like when I took it off. And the directions say to remove, gently peel off lashes from either corner, and you want to just use a cotton pad or cloth to gently clean off remnants. Do not wet the magnetic lashes. The Imagine style, like I said, I picked these because they're considered medium wispy, and I thought, okay, that seems like good for me to try. And I liked the fact that they were brown because I hadn't seen them before. They come in the box. It does have the directions on the back here. These retail for $29.99. They do come with anchors. So those you put on underneath your lash at each corner, and it just gives some extra security. So you'll see as the video plays of me applying it, those, I feel like if you're a beginner or if you're sensitive, that maybe you don't want to use them and kind of work your way up to them. I will say that I am very sensitive with touching my eyes and stuff. Like, I don't wear contacts. I've tried them like 3 times over my life, and I don't like touching my eye. I don't like putting eyeliner in the waterline. Like, so I'm very, very sensitive, and these are not bothering me. So I think that in my opinion, you may not know me, but in my opinion, that like speaks volumes. Just as an FYI, they also have nails and different accessories on their website if you want to use that code and get any of them. First reached out to me, I went on the website and I was looking around, and the thing that really stuck out to me is that you can search by your eye shape. You can go in and say, I want to shop a vegan or mink lashes, the length, the style, your eye shape, any that you click on. As you can see, it shows you what that lash actually looks like, a close-up, and then it shows you on the different eye shapes. Like, isn't that great? I thought that was nice. And the nice thing about these is they are brown. The interesting thing, I have not come across or tried anything like this before, is it comes with some anchors, it's called, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there's like an underneath side too, so then you can split those up and put them underneath your lashes. First, what I'm gonna do before I put on any of the liner is just see how these are fitting to my eye. Curve them a little bit, bend them a little bit so they are more in line with my eye shape, and just kind of set it on there. Right, so I've shaken the liner, and then I'm just going to apply it, and this time I'm going to apply it a little bit thicker. Okay, well, I got one of the underneath ones on. The other one, I dropped it and I can't seem to locate it, but I did get one of them. And yeah, I don't think any way I could do that on camera. And that one I can feel. This lash, like, I can kind of just feel because it's a longer one, and I maybe should have trimmed it a little bit more, but I can't really feel the lash itself, but that last like this underneath part, I can kind of feel it, so I'm not sure, that would take some getting used to. But I like how it looks, and again, very easy. It is much easier with two hands, and then you can either take, like if you have the plastic tweezers, or just your fingers and kind of mash your natural lash together with it. How tiny that is. You can definitely feel those. If you don't like the anchors, you can just make sure that you put a little bit extra eyeliner on each ends, because they do seem like, in any lashes, the ends are always like kind of the first to pop up. But so I'm not going to wear those anchors. You can kind of, you know, like see the line a little bit. So I'm just going to take some brown eyeshadow in a small brush and just going to kind of pat over that. And it kind of blends it out so it's not such a like harsh line where you can see it. So my recommendation would be, if you have thought, if you've been on the fence, you've wanted to try some lashes and you've kind of given them a try and thought, I don't know, it's kind of like cumbersome to get them on. Or if you have tried them and but you still like the look of them and still want to try them, I seriously, I would recommend trying these, because I have tried some other magnetic lashes, and I think I have a video. Yeah, I do have a video on those, and they were good and they were easy to use, but these are so much more comfortable. Like, these are really, really comfortable. I mean, the anchors weren't so comfortable, I will admit that. So I took them off, but just these, I mean, I can barely feel them. And like I said, like, I'm very sensitive to my eye area. Normally I can always feel the lashes, and these, like, I can kind of feel it right here, but other than that, I can't feel them. Like, that's amazing. I would love to know down below if you have tried these, what you think, if you've tried any magnetic lashes or lashes in general. Like, do you wear them? Do you not wear them? What are your thoughts? But yeah, I think you might be seeing more lashes in my videos coming up. Yay! Thank you so much to Glamnetics for reaching out and letting me try these. Thank you to you for watching. Please let me know down below if you have any questions or comments. And I hope that if you're not already, that you will hit that subscribe button and come join me here at least 3 times a week, and we can just have all kinds of fun talking about beauty. So thank you for watching. Have a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are, and I hope to see you again. Bye.